In a surprising legal ruling, a Michigan judge has awarded $100 million in damages to a state inmate who successfully sued music mogul and entrepreneur Sean Diddy Combs. The inmate, whose name has not been disclosed due to privacy concerns, alleged that Combs was involved in a series of business and personal dealings that led to his wrongful imprisonment. The case, which has been ongoing for several years, hinged on claims made by the inmate that Combs was linked to fraudulent practices that resulted in his conviction. In his suit, the inmate argued that Combs played a direct role in orchestrating events that led to his downfall, though the specifics of these alleged dealings remain largely under wraps. The ruling, the presiding judge, Honorable Sandra Thompson, delivered the ruling in a packed Detroit courtroom, declaring that the evidence presented by the inmate's legal team was compelling enough to warrant the massive financial compensation. The ruling stunned many legal experts, with some expressing skepticism about the direct involvement of Combs in the inmate's conviction. The court finds that the actions of Mr. Combs and his associates had a direct and significant impact on the wrongful imprisonment of the plaintiff, Judge Thompson said in her ruling. While the evidence was circumstantial, the sheer weight of it, along with testimony provided, leads this court to believe justice must be served in this case. Diddy's legal team responds. Combs' legal team, led by high-profile attorney Jeffrey Marcus, has vowed to appeal the decision, calling the ruling outrageous and baseless. In a statement released shortly after the verdict, Marcus stated that Combs had no connection to the claims presented in court and that the decision was built on speculation rather than concrete proof. This judgment is not only a miscarriage of justice, but an assault on the reputation of an innocent man, the statement read. Mr. Combs will fight this ruling with the full extent of the law. We are confident that the appellate court will see the flaws in this case and overturn this absurd decision. Public reaction. Public reaction to the ruling has been mixed. While some critics have questioned the validity of the claims, others view the decision as a triumph for those who have long sought to hold high-profile individuals accountable for their alleged wrongdoings. Social media was abuzz with debates surrounding the case, with #JusticeForTheInmate trending across various platforms. Legal analysts are divided on the ruling, with some arguing that the court's decision could set a dangerous precedent for future lawsuits targeting celebrities based on tenuous connections to criminal activities. What comes next? The case is expected to head to an appellate court, where Combs' legal team will attempt to reverse the decision. Meanwhile, the inmate remains incarcerated, though his legal team hopes this ruling will eventually lead to a review of his case and possibly his release. If the decision is upheld, the $100 million would be among the largest judgments awarded in a civil case involving a celebrity. The outcome of the appeal will be closely watched, not just by legal experts, but by a public captivated by this unusual case, linking a global music icon to a seemingly unrelated criminal conviction.